Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. Actually, from an aeroplane, the night sky transformed into a stunning panorama. Below, city lights create a glowing wave, while above, the absence of light pollution reveals a sky full of bright stars, planets, and sometimes the faint, shimmering band of the Milky Way. The unique perspective offers a clear, unobstructed view that very different from what is seen from the ground. Can you see the stars? It's inside the Emirates Airlines. It's really look stunning from inside. The stars they put on the roof. It's really nice. I really enjoy this and look at the outside, mind blowing. So thank you. Keep well. Have a good day.